My rate frames are broken.
5, 4, 3,
Gerald's
2,
guys already
1.
left.
Now we do have 2 lusts.
Shards.
Yeah. I'm in there like swimwear.
Inferno.
I changed something up to make that way easier, by the way.
Shards.
Gerald, this is you, sorry, in melee.
Nope, fine.
Mills, live 3 seconds, please.
After will be
Okay.
Murph. Murph
What do I
in
take it to on
5.
my age?
13. 2, 1, Murph. Next will be Tiny into me.
Shards.
It's in the middle.
Decimation.
Decimation. Four, 3, 2, 1. I'm in there. Next soak is Gerald into Murph.
Good job.
Murph in 3,
Inferno.
2, 1. Murph. Next soak probably can be me into Tiny.
Shards.
Or is it? Yeah. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Inferno.
Alright, Gerald into probably need Nishi.
Shards.
On the right, Gerald. Yeah, it'll have to be Unishi.
Already there.
Perfect. You're gaming. In 3, 2, 1, go away. Good.
He's gonna take an extra stack. I only got 12.
Good.
Sniper
Good heads up.
training.
Yep.
There you go.
Shards. Clear.
Thank you,
Decimation.
Tiny. I'll take it after you. Four, 3, 2, 1. I'm in. Next soak will be tied into, or Gerald to tide. I don't know. Whoever responds.
Shards.
You can both do it.
Okay.
It's not
I'll get it
good,
first.
so let
Okay.
tide. You obviously after.
Just move out whenever you need to.
I'm moving. For you.
Decimation.
Get in
I'm
there, Gerald.
tormented right now.
I don't have vamp blood, so we're gonna need help on this one.
I'm tormented.
Lay on hands. Okay, good. Block if you
I
don't
have
die.
I have AMS for this last one. We're good.
Shards.
Next soak, me. I'm making my way over. It's dead. Good job.
I don't need a siphon anymore or anything, right?
No, you're all done. You can swap back over if you want.